This next HSS operation in Exercise 2, iMachining of a bracket, performs the finishing cut on the 4 large chamfers of the part ribs. In the CAM Manager, double-click on HSS PC Lin Faces to open the HSS Parallel Cuts Linear Operation dialog. In the Geometry branch, click the Show button. We can see that the chamfer faces are defined for our machining geometry. Exit the Show Geometry dialog by clicking Cancel. Like the previous pocket machining operations, we will use the 3/8 inch diameter bullnose mill with a corner radius of a 1/16 inch. This operation uses a simple linear strategy with a 20 thou maximum stepover. As you can see here, customized linking is used to allow short repositions and smooth transitions when starting the cut. Let's click Simulate and take a look at our toolpath at work. First, using the HostCAD mode, slow the simulation speed down and press play. We can see the wireframe toolpath being displayed on our model. Next, switch to the Solid Verify tab and press play again. Now we can see the cutting tool finishing the faces of the 4 large chamfers in 3D. Let's exit the simulation and operation dialogues. Finally, let's switch over to Mach 2 Position 1 to see how we will machine the other side of this part and look at the next operations in the CAM tree.